Okay, we're fishing on Lake Anna right now. Hopefully we can catch a few fish, okay? And I'm fishing in Lake Anna right now. Alright, so I'm using this artificial lure with the red head and 2 treble hooks in the middle and the back. So I cast, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for it to drop to about 10 feet deep. And then I, do the jigging. Jig and then reel a couple turns, jig, jerk it, and then a couple turns, jerk it, a couple turns. Right now the water depth is about 37 feet deep. A big boat just went by, and that's why the wake is making the boat sound like rocking right now. Otherwise, the wave is really smooth. As you can see above the water, nothing. There's a fishing boat in the middle, right ahead of us, and they're probably catching some striped bass in the middle as well. We just saw in the sonar tons of striped bass went past, and that's why I stopped the boat and the engine to try to see if I can hook up a couple. So right now we're gonna cast a few more, and then hopefully catch a few more big bass. And that's my Johnson 90 horsepower V4 4 cylinders motor, big kicking ass motor. Okay, so very nice. We're fishing on Lake Anna. This is my big powerful Johnson 90 horsepower. You can see the leaves are all about to turn colors to golden brown and to red. You can see it's beautiful, golden yellow and brown and red. The lake is as calm as you can get. It's just amazing, it's beautiful. Just amazing. October 10th, 2015, Saturday. It's a beautiful Saturday. I'm in the middle of Lake Anna trying to catch a few striped bass here, okay? Anyway, over.